Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chili in your crock pot. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 3 cans of beans. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion and 1 bell pepper. Browning your ground meat beforehand is a crucial step, as it locks in a deeper, more robust flavor profile for your finished chili. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now let's assemble our chili in the crock pot. Start by adding your 1 pound of brown ground beef. Next, pour in 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, to form the base. Then, add 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans and 1 15-ounce can of black beans, ensuring they are thoroughly drained and rinsed. Finally, stir in your chopped onion, bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix everything well. With all your ingredients combined, it's time for the magic of slow cooking. For the richest, most developed flavors, set your crock pot to the low setting and let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. If you're in a hurry, you can use the high setting for 3 to 4 hours instead. Remember to stir the chili every couple of hours to ensure even heat distribution and prevent any ingredients from sticking to the bottom. Your incredible crock-pot chili is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and let it cool for a few minutes. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Classic choices include a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of cool sour cream, and some fresh chopped green onions. For those who love a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce adds a wonderful kick. Don't forget a side of warm cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.